Greetings, everyone. This is Yahya Kandil from Group Professor Surgeon presenting the market of tomorrow. So, the market of tomorrow is presenting the fragmented behavior of architecture within Chicago's context. Starting from the site, presenting the critical footprint of existing building towards the circulation and its effect on food sourcing from the networked farmers and merchants. Also, understanding the land use was very critical to apply the suitable strategies in this specific location, as our site West Randolph Street is surrounded with a lot of residential points that can be used as strength point and design. Also, in order to create a focal point, there was a study presenting the surroundings and see what is the best suitable design factors that could affect our design. Then creating the image of the connectivity between the urban and the context. After this, moving to the climatic analysis to our specific site was very fundamental because it affected the design strategy to enhance the food presenting, the food processing, and also the indoor quality and the light and the indoor climate condition. So at the end, I came with the idea of the market of tomorrow, which is it's the cause that enhance the quality of livability and mitigate diversity and serve the social intelligence, starting from the location itself and its connectivity to the surroundings. It was one of the design factors that it create a market of tomorrow. Also, creating a focal point that attracts residents and tourists, and also to play it's one of the challenging challenges to creating a visual image that amplifies and fits into our site in Chicago. Also, it presents an assembly of different and diverse clients or customers. The market of tomorrow is a direct exposure representing unity versus diversity in the city of Chicago. According to the location and the climatic analysis that showed the light exposure was a great parameter in designing some sort of a structure that support the diverse fragmentation of the existing condition. Creating an experience from the public towards the semi-public was and service the experience is a crucial factor that would increase the possibilities and expected outcomes from the market. Using a structural component fragment to create a visual image and focal point to enhance and connect the urban fabric with the market. The energy efficiency to make sure that the use of the maximum possibilities to enlight and ventilate the semi-public spaces where the food will be presented and exposed to different energies. And this affected the space program itself as it created the transition zones between the public and semi-public, and this affected some of the spaces as there will be an outdoor plaza serving as a public and the entries and the outdoor restaurants and connecting somehow with the service hallways and transition zone to semi-public, which is the rentable units that will serve as the market itself. So these markets have indoor and outdoor divisions, and this market has to be monitored by administrative department, which is will be limited offices and meeting rooms that can connect with the seat system within the network, and also have the storage and controlled storages serving the back of the house, as there will be separated accessibility for the back of the house and the front of the house, and this accessibility will have direct connection to climate control storages and freezers and maintenance spaces. So I would like to conclude that one of the design advantages of the fragments is to create a visual image and focal point to enhance and connect the urban fabric with the market. And also, it affected the energy efficiency to make sure that we are using the maximum possibilities to enlight and ventilate the space from the inside. And this is exposing the indoors towards the outdoor to the certain point and another, and also affect the circulation as the circulation will be connect between the spaces and control the use of the market. Regarding the circulation, it's a linear placement of the shops will be placed as to have a functional flexibility integrated with the security of interaction between the customers and staff. The market is the market of tomorrow is program proposed services and activities for the residents and tourists and researchers.